Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a slime video. I am going to be showing you all of my slimes. I'm going to be talking about them all. I hope you please like and subscribe. And just to let you know, this is my first YouTube channel. So I'm the only girl in my family, so it's hard to do a video by myself. So just remember that. I'm trying to get to at least maybe 10 subscribers or more and at least 5 likes per videos. Thank you so much. Hope you like and subscribe. Now let's get on to the video. So the first slime, this is actually store-bought. It's supposed to be putty, but it's like slime. So I mixed them all. So this was a normally pink, red, and purple. No, pink, blue, and purple. But it's still pink, pretty much, but it's good. It's so good. It makes good clicking noises, and it makes a good swirl. So here you can hear the noise. Ready? It's very good slime. Even though that is store-bought, it's very good slime. And then when you put it away, it makes part of it. I'll do one more bubble. I'll show you. So now I have another one, but it's a different color. And I got this one at Michael's for $1. And the other one's the same, but this one's green, and I mixed it with blue, green and blue. And this one's from Michael's too. I mean, this one's not that bad, but it's like Rippy. That one, like Rippy, really Rippy. But it's a pretty color. I mean, it doesn't make crunchy noises or bubbles like that. It's like really and it doesn't make farty noises. Oh, it does. I got it. Okay. So we already looked at this. So now I have a big one. There's 2 slimes in here. So the first one's this one's homemade. It's like cotton candy kind of, but different colors. This one's just it's like supposed to be cloud slime, but it turned out it's supposed to be butter slime, but it turned out to be it's a good slime though. Just a little bit. It makes good cracking noises. I mean, good clicking noises. Cracking is hard because it's like, it makes okay. It doesn't make it fast. It makes okay. Okay, so there's that one. That one's called cotton candy. The next one is called snow. No, not snow, peppermint, because it's white with red sparkles. And this one's homemade especially. I love it because it makes great clicking noises. And I think great bubble noises. I have to double check about that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then the rest are homemade. These 3 are homemade slimes. Okay, so this one's a purple butter slime. It was supposed to be a butter slime, but it turned out kind of like a butter slime. It just still has like a little bit of fluffy slime in it, but it's whatever. Slime is slime. It's good. Makes good clicking noises. Makes no cracking noises since it's butter slime. I'm making sure. Hold on, I will be. Okay, yeah. So then the next one is going to be this green one. This one. I think all of these are supposed to be better slime than even the next one. But this one just has a little bit of fluffy into it. And it makes good cracking noises. Cracking and clicking. Okay. Next slime. And this will be the last slime. This one's like a cloud slime. I thought it was a fluffy slime. But it's not that rippy as a cloud slime would be. It's really stretchy actually. That one was homemade. Alright guys, I hope you like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video and please like and subscribe.